Good evening, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube. Just here with a quick video tutorial on how to get started with a Netcoin wallet. The last video I did was 45 minutes long. Seems a bit too long for some people, so we're going to do a few different videos, a few small segments. To start with, we're going to go through the installation process. There's two ways you can go about doing this, not including the building from source. Come to netcoin.io, cross to wallets, and then wallet downloads. And the quickest and easiest way is the installer here under source code. Click this, it will grab a zip file. Want to save that. I've already downloaded it, so we'll take that one. Extract them here. Close that one. So we've got the installer folder that's just extracted on the desktop, so we can remove that one. When we come into here, we have the Linux, the macOS, Windows 32 and Windows 64 and a readme file. We'll just open that with Notepad. It basically just explains the process to you, which I'm going to do in the video anyway. So I'm on Windows 64, I'll take the Windows 64 installer, double click it. Windows will tell you it's a problem because it's a JavaScript downloaded file. I'm not sure why it does that. I run it anyway, so I wrote it, so I'm happy with that. As you see, it pops a Netcoin folder up on your desktop. Fetching the wallet executables, latest block data, this could take some time, approximately 15 minutes dependent on traffic. Wait for finished installation to come up on the screen. So we have the wallet downloaded and it has just extracted it, as we can see now. When we go in here, we have the Netcoin wallet and the themes folder. And it's cleaned up the zip file, so there is no zip file left within here. It is now on with downloading the block data. This may take 15-20 minutes, depends how many people are using it. So we will jump off the video here, or I'll speed through it. Once it's done, we'll be back. Right, we're back. As you can see, it's now downloaded the block data and it is extracting the blocks into the app data directory, which is the standard installation folder for Netcoin wallet and pretty much most cryptocurrency wallets. They will always point to the app data directory roaming /coin name. So this may take a few seconds to complete as it extracts all the data that's required. And then after this step, it should create a basic config file for you, ready to get you going with the... There we go, job done. As soon as it's gone, we're done. So if we now navigate to %app data %, we'll find that we have a Netcoin folder. I'll just get rid of that one. And we have a config and the block files. We don't have a wallet.dat just yet because we haven't opened the wallet. So the first point of call is to come to the Netcoin config. It's a bit of a mess. It's just how the installer installs it for some reason. Don't need to worry about those. All we need to do is the RPC allow IP. You can change that to your local IP for your machine if you are going to be using the wallet with other services between computers, but we will go through what that does later on. RPC connect, that's very similar to this. It just makes sure that it's only this computer that connects. It has set you up a RPC user and an RPC password. So those, if you're security conscious, you may want to change. I will just change them to user and password. These are randomly generated when the installer goes through, and then as you can see, there is a whole host of add nodes that have been added. They're known connections that are on the network. And then we just save that file and hope that it didn't break. Yep, it should be good, I think. Yeah, it looks good. Right, cool. So we've changed that. Now it's time to go to the Netcoin folder on your desktop that it made and open up the wallet. This will take a few minutes while it loads the block index. Forgot to put the music on. Nice to have a bit of background music for while things are quiet. There we go, we're uploaded. And we are 4 weeks behind. I'll try and make a new snapshot which gets us up to, I'd like to say today, it'll be. But it's not a necessity because this will download a hell of a lot quicker than starting from block 0. I have one connection that will quickly come up to speed for you guys. For me it won't, because I'm running multiple wallets, so I only get at best 3 or 4 connections on this computer. But that's basically it. So the next step for you guys, once you're on, is you can come to your themes and pick between your themes. The world one does not look brilliant. I like the themes one. It seems that they don't come across very well, because there should be images in behind there. I'll have to work that one out. So I'll go back to the default. So once we're here, if we come up to settings, first thing you want to do is encrypt your wallet before you do anything. So you would type in your random password that you will be able to remember. As you need to make sure you're going to remember that. So now it's encrypted, we reopen the wallet. Give it a minute though. Right, so now we're back. We have an unlock button here that was greyed out before, and basically this wallet is now completely locked out. Nobody can access your coins unless they get a hold of your password. Even if they got your wallet.dat, it would take a long time to brute force it if you've used a strong enough password. So now we've done this, we will wait for this to come up to sync, and the little green tick will show at the bottom here where it says nothingness. But in the meantime, we can come here, we can take our address, copy the address, and then go to a faucet or to the exchange and get the coins sent over. They will turn up eventually, or you can send one coin just to make sure, double check. But as soon as they've turned up, we're good to go, everything's golden. Once you've received your coins, which we'll have to wait for this to sync up for me to actually send some coins, so it will come across in one of the other videos. I got 7 connections already, see? Gets up to speed quick. So as soon as we've got the green tick here, and we've got coins showing up in here, we can unlock the wallet for staking only, and put in your password, and it will unlock the wallet for staking only, so nobody can come here and send your coins. This section here, coin control, we'll go through that in another video. But for the basics, that's the quickest way to get your wallet up to speed. As you see, we've got 13 connections now. With that kind of connections, this shouldn't take very long at all to receive blocks. So yeah, we're going to leave that one here, and I shall catch you on the next one.